Greetings from Eunos MRT. Today I'm at the east side of Singapore and I'm going to explore the Paya Lebar and Chiat area. Let's go this way. Sunny afternoon, 5:30 p.m. Well, Eunos is quite near the Changi Airport, you know. In Singapore, this is the east side. There's so many buses here. I just crossed the road, man, and right here there are many beautiful houses. This on the right side is HDB, and left side there are some condos. What a diverse mix, man. I even saw a playground in front. So the maids are bringing the kids now. The orange color, is it a swing or something? Oh yeah, and then the road in front is called the Changi Road already. We are a few minutes away from like the chiat complex and the main area of chiat. There's some hair therapy, TCM stuff here. Lots of shops. Dental surgery. Singapore top 10 chicken rice. Yuan Shang vegetarian food. What's that building, man? So big. Yeah, I think I saw a temple. WIS at Changi. I think they have some office above and shop houses. I mean some shops at the ground floor. Look at that. Wow, I didn't know such a magnificent temple here as this. Yinxian Gong. Looks very Chinese. I mean, very heritage and historical. Look at the dragons and the stone lion. There's some history here. No, that is the name of the owners. So they're open until 5 p.m. on weekdays, until 3 p.m. on weekends. Wow. The door deities. Rich people stay here, man. Look at the temple more time. So why is Central Port, man? I think it's a little more.